to my channel. If you're new here, I am amzolinek. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I refresh my daughter's curls. She's got curly hair, so I just want to share with you what I do to refresh and bring back her curls to life. So I don't really do much. I just use water, a leave-in conditioner, and a curling milk. That's all. So I'm going to be using this Botanica as a leave-in conditioner, and this Maui curl milk, and of course some water. I'm also gonna use this tangle teaser, and when the hair is completely dry, I'm going to apply some organic argan oil just to give it some shine. So yeah, let's get started, guys. As you can see, her hair is pretty undefined and kind of dry. Turn around a bit with me. So yeah, this is how it looks right now. Just gonna go ahead and give it some definition.
Surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in?
So once her entire hair is saturated with the water, I just fluff it and press the water in to make sure every single strand is moisturized and damp. I'm going to be working in sections just so that I get it nicely defined and easy to detangle. So next I'll use some leave-in conditioner and apply it to her hair, focusing mainly on her ends, and then I'll go in and finger detangle before I brush the hair.
The bass keep pounding on me, baby. I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah.
Now I'm going in with my tangle teaser, starting from the ends, working my way upwards to the roots. Guys, do you see how defined these curls look? Like, look at that. And then once I have brushed through, I just go in and scrunch like so, just a little bit, and bam, turn around please with that, and bang. That's how I get her curls popping like so. So her hair is all defined, so I'm going to use a diffuser for the sake of this video, just to speed up the drying process so I can show you guys how it looks like when it dry, and then the rest of it I will let it air dry. I'm gonna put it on a very low setting, no heat at all, just air.
Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down.
Alright guys, so this is how I refresh my daughter's curls. I hope you find it helpful and also enjoyed watching it. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.
I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you.